Okay.
Are we live? All right, cool. All right, so today I got something in the mail. It's a box. I'm going to open it up, and I got to tell you, I'm kind of scared because I'm not, well, I'm not really sure what to expect. So we cut the tape. We figured we'll show you what's going on. Some paper here. All right. So we have a tarantula that we bought that we're going to start being able to show kids and things like that. And the crazy thing is, I've never held a tarantula, and I'm scared because I know it's not going to kill me or eat me. Lydia is holding my camera, and I think she's scared because she thinks I'm going to throw it at her. But anyways, there it is. This is a... Don't jump. It's all right. So this is a Mexican red knee tarantula, and we're going to name her Chancho after a Nacho Libre reference, unless it means something dirty, and then I'll change it. But for now, this is Chancho, and boy, look at that.
Don't do that.
So full size, she can get up to about 5 inches. And of course, tarantulas, you know, there's lots of different types and hundreds of different types that you can find online. But a lot of them are really gentle and docile, and you just have to, be careful with them. Obviously, they can bite. And also one of their defensive mechanisms is to throw their little hairs at prey or anything that's trying to hurt them. So, but as long as you're slow and gentle and everything else, it should be fine. And then you know that they're going to bite you if they rear back on their legs and show their fangs. So, Lydia, do you see any fangs?
No.
You good?
Very good.
Okay. All right. So, anyways, that's Chancho the tarantula. They told me she was going to be 4 inches when I got her, and so a little disappointed because that does not look like 4 inches to me. But anyway, she's pretty. So that is the tarantula.
Okay.
All right, do we have any other boxes to open?
No, that's it.
Okay, be careful, turn off the phone. I don't want her to jump at you. Are you good?
Yeah, very
All right,
good.